Hi, friends. I trust each one of you are doing well. Today, I bring you a profoundly meaningful story about a charming little bird on a quest to build her nest and the unexpected refusal she faces from the wise old tree. Let's dive into this fascinating story together. The name of the story is The Bird and the Tree. It was a beautiful and expansive garden teeming with flowers, fruit bearing plants, and trees. Once, a bird was searching for a home to lay her eggs and get shelter for her chicks to protect them from rains in the coming rainy season. In her search, she saw two trees which she thought would be perfect to build her nest, and so went to the first tree to ask for shelter. She asked in a pleading tone, "Oh dear, will you permit me to build my nest in your cozy branches?" However, with an unruly face, the first tree refused to give her shelter, saying, "No, I would not be able to accommodate you. I'm sorry." With deep disappointment, she approached the second tree, pleading with him to permit her to build a protective nest. And the second tree readily agreed, offering its branches for the bird to build her protective nest. The bird happily made her home on it and laid her eggs, and then the rainy season arrived. The rain was so heavy that the initially rude first tree succumbed, fell down, and was carried away by the flood. Now the bird laughed and in a taunting manner remarked, "See, this is your karma. You didn't offer me shelter, and now God has given you the punishment." The tree smiled and explained, "I knew I wouldn't survive this rainy season, and that's why I refused you. It wasn't a rejection, but rather a decision rooted in foresight. I didn't want to risk yours and your children's lives, as the heavy rain would have made my branches vulnerable. It was a difficult choice, of course, made with the intention of ensuring your safety and the well being of your future generations." The bird, with tears welling up in her eyes, now comprehended the tree's foresight and compassionate decision. Understanding the tree's sacrifice for the safety of her and her future generations, she felt a deep sense of respect and gratitude toward the wise tree. The key takeaway: many times in life, we encounter hard rejections just on our face. Of course, no one likes to hear rejection. Rejection hurts our feelings, and at that time, we only think about our own feelings. We don't even think with an open mind that the person who denied must have had their own reasons, including our own good. Embrace the practice of refraining from judgment, and you will find yourself navigating life with greater wisdom and understanding. By withholding judgment, you open yourself to a world of diverse perspectives, allowing room for empathy and compassion. In doing so, the likelihood of making erroneous assessments diminishes, paving the way for more authentic connections and a deeper appreciation of the complexities that shape individuals and situations. It is crucial not to always perceive someone's no as an expression of arrogance. The full picture may not be apparent, and it's important to respect others' decisions, whether they align with our preferences or not. Often, our deep involvement in our own challenges can blind us to the perspective of the other person. Without making an effort to comprehend their motives and reasons, we risk forming hasty judgments. It is imperative to refrain from judging others solely based on their no, as we may not be aware of their unique story. Behind that no might be hidden opportunities or considerations that we are unaware of. Keeping an open mind and seeking to understand others can lead to richer connections and reveal unforeseen benefits that may be concealed behind initial refusals. Hope you all enjoyed the simple yet captivating tale. I will come back to you with yet another interesting story next week. Until then, embrace empathy, keep smiling, stay cheerful. Bye.